What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the Spirit A321NEO by NG Models. This is one of their brand new aircraft that they've just started to receive. They've got 4 of them currently in service with a lot on order. I believe it's like 60 something, 61, 60 on order, some crazy number like that. And they've already started to put these into service into operating in and out of LA on some of the longer flights across the US. So, decided to pick this up because why not? Another Spirit aircraft. I'm super excited for the A320neo, that 901 that's coming out from NG as well when that does come. And hopefully we'll see another release by NG of the A320 in the sort of new, the raccoon eyes, kind of like how this looks, because some of their 320s have that, 320neos have that now, and Gemini Jets has like that model coming, but obviously their mold is mediocre to say the least. So hopefully NG will be releasing one of those soon. But anyways, let's get right on into it. Here's the box of an interesting sort of design. There's spirits all over. That's kind of cool. 702 November Kilos registration. And that was one of the first ones that they got delivered, and here we go. So let's get right on into it. Very excited to have this. There we go, looking really nice. Wow. Woohoo! Alrighty. Little card stuck in here. There it is. Got that out of there. Alright. Here we have the model, looking very nice. No issues that I can tell as of right now, which is a good thing. Alrighty. So, let's get right on into it. Here we go. So here's what I mean by the cockpit windows. That sort of black mask around the windows look really, really nice. A321neo right there underneath. Some great detail all around here. The various static ports and tubes and whatnot. Gear looks really good. L1 door, and you got the antenna at the top. Looks very nice. And then moving along, there is no sort of other exit along here, but we do have the 2 overwing exit marking or doors right there and the markings for them. You got the L3 door at the back here, and then the L2, and then the L3 right here, the main door. You can see it's got like the evacuation side door right there as well. But yeah, moving along, you got the Spirit title right there. Got the engines with Spirit.com, and they look really good. See if I can get the light on them. There we go, looking very, very nice right there. Good job by NG on that. The wings looking fantastic, as well as the sharklets looking very nice, with the howdy on the inside. Classic Spirit stuff. And on the top, you just have the antennas. No Wi-Fi dome on this yet, which given that Spirit's has been adding the Wi-Fi antennas onto their 20s and 20neos, etc. I'm assuming, and their 21s, I'm assuming that this is probably going to be getting it soon too. Clearly they decided not to have it delivered with it, but it's probably going to end up going into maintenance at some point to have it added. So we'll just have to see, and maybe we'll get another iteration by NG in the future with the antenna on the top, but or with the dome, should I say. But yeah, anyways, continuing on here, the back we got the registration and the American flag, and then the little, it looks like, what does that say, 8, I can't read what that says. I know it says 702, but I can't tell what's in front of it. It looks like a 0 and 8, I'm not sure. But then you got the classic Spirit tail, some good design, good details there on the tail in terms of the various like indents and whatnot. Looks really good. Horizontal stabilizer looking really good as well. And spinning it around, then just got the bulk bin door and the cargo door there, the baggage door, the front and the back. Very sharp look though. I love that sort of mask on the front. Looking very, very nice. Very excited to have this model. Here's a top-down view of those, seeing those overwing exit markings and looking really good. And then at the bottom, there's nothing. It's just plain. There's the antenna at the bottom right there, looking very nice. But yeah, very nice model. Very happy to have this in the collection now. Curious to see, you know, as I said, like about the Wi-Fi dome, will that be added in the future? And if so, will we see a re-release with that? But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.